do bath bombs today?
Yeah.
Okay, so what you'll need to do is take everything out and we're going to put everything into the bowl and mix it together to make the bath bomb. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay. In the bowl, put the baking soda in. Put it in there. Then citric acid. Pour that in there. Pour that. Mica powder. And pour that in there for me. Okay, well done.
I want glitter. Will you put the unicorn?
No, don't put the unicorn in there yet. This is strawberry fragrance. Put it into the bowl.
Then we take this off?
Put that in the bowl. Yep. Okay, so you just added some water in that now, haven't you? Yeah? Okay. Keep mixing.
Can we put the unicorn in?
Okay, we're going to put the unicorn in this.
Oh.
Right, so you've done it. You've mixed it.
Yeah.
It should look like this, like sand. Almost. Right, so fill it up first. Fill it up first. Yep, use your hands. Well done. Now you can put the unicorn in. Yeah, and then you're going to fill it up again. Just fill it up some more. Put some more in. Hi Savannah, do you remember when we made the bath bomb the other day?
Yeah.
And it's all ready, isn't it?
Yeah.
So this is the bath bomb.
Yeah, it's just thing.
Oh, done. Look at it fizzing. Can you see it fizzing now? So we will make a few more to put in the actual bath, but this is what you do when you want to have a relaxing bath. And you did it all by yourself, didn't you?